What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today I had a little bit of a issue going on with my ceiling in my laundry room. So there was a pre-existing leak. So I wanted to kind of show you how I fixed it. So you can kind of see right here, this is a picture of kind of the damage. This is a quick picture of me just simply tearing off the tape, and it fell off very, very fast. And then I did a little bit of a video of my first coat. So I'm going to do several of these types of videos and kind of what I did. And so I'm going to be doing first layer, second layer, ultimately painting, so primer and whatever else. And so yeah, let me know your thoughts and if there's any other suggestions. This is completely DIY, so if you want some entertainment, have at it. Okay, so I cut it out, started to put that on there. Just you will see my video. Just gonna try and find a good angle. There we go. This is a complete DIY, if you haven't seen, couldn't tell. Hate this shit though. Move. Sorry, I have a cat. It's just putting a new piece here. There we have it.